Hello ladies and gentlemen, you are welcome. Then Adeobuye here. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get your TIN. So TIN here stand for Taxpayer Identification Number, and this is very important for everybody as a Nigerian. Either you're an individual or you're a business, you have to have your TIN because you're going to need it in the bank or any of these government organization setting. So to get this is very simple, and the good news there that it is free, absolutely free. You can see mine on my screen, my certificate as a taxpayer in Nigeria. So guys, to get started, all you have to do is to come to their website here. So I'm going to put, you see this link of website on your screen. So I might put it in the comment section. You can check it out in the comment section, but it's very important you watch this video before you click on that so that you know what you are trying to do. Otherwise, you may just end up doing what you should not do, and it might just lead into so much complexity. So guys, let's check this out. So on this website here, all you have to do is to check all these things. So the first thing here is for you to get, you can either register as a non-individual. So this one is for non-individual, and the second one here is for individual. So as non-individual means businesses, company, NGO, trustee, and the rest. And as an individual means just as a single person. So let's say that you want to register as a non-individual. You select this option here. I think it's option 4. So you have 1, 2, 3. So this option 3, that's for the non-individual. So when you click on this non-individual, all you have to do is for you to come here and select your organization. So let's, for example, I want to select partnership. Maybe like my organization is partnership, or if just is business name, select business name. Then you put your registration number. That's going to be your CAC registration number. So, and if you have yet to get your business name, don't worry. I have a video on my channel where I explain how you can actually register you can register your business name. So when I'll put the link below, you can check out the link in the comment section and also in the description box below. So I've explained everything you need to know for you. So this is the video here. Register your business with CAC. You can do it yourself. This is a comprehensive video. And also, if you want to register your company, if you have a company, I also have a video where I explain this. So this is the video. I'll also put the video below, so you can check out those videos before you can actually be able to register your own company or your own company or business with the taxpayer identification agency, so that you can get your TIN. So now you're supposed to register your business name. So you just come here, you put in your business registration number, and if you are doing business name, usually start with BN, and if you are doing company, usually start with RC. So you will see a registration number in your CAC. So all you have to do is just to put that here. Then your name is going to pop up. When the name pop up, you can be able to generate your own TIN. All right, now, so if you're an individual and want to generate your own, it's very simple. All you have to do is basically come to this website here, this particular website, and click on this number 4 here, which is register for TIN individual. So when you click on the register for TIN individual, you have to have this information handy. You have to have your BVN, your bank verification number. So you put your BVN, you put your BVN here, put your BVN, then after that you put your date of birth. Just click on this. When you click on something on this button here, this is going to pop up for you. Put in your first name and your last name, then you click on submit. So of course you have to make this one I'm not a robot. So when you click on I'm not a robot, an account is going to be created for you. So let me show you. Immediately you will receive a mail. Okay, let me show you. See, this is going to be the first mail you're going to receive. You see a mail from them telling you that your TIN request, telling your TIN request has been accepted. So you tell you that it has been submitted successfully. Then after a while, you're going to receive another mail which is going to contain your certificate. So now this mail here contain my certificate. All you have to do is just to download it. And when I downloaded it, I end up having this as my certificate. So this is very simple and very easy, and it is absolutely free. So as a Nigerian, either you have a business or not, it's very important you have your taxpayer identification number. It is going to be handy because you might need it anytime, and instead of you going etasketa, it's already on your phone or on your devices. All you have to do is just to present it to them, or you print it out. So guys, this is the easiest way you can actually get your tax identification number created by yourself. It is free, so nobody should actually dribble you here and there. You can get everything done all by yourself. So just follow the process I've showed you in this video, and you have no problem whatsoever. But ensure that your BVN, if you are generating as an individual, ensure that your BVN details enter here correspond with the one on your BVN script. So don't put something different. Make sure that it corresponds. So guys, I'm going to stop here. Please, I believe you've gotten value in this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you're to subscribe, please subscribe. Like this video, share it with your friends and family. And if you have any question, you can ask in the comment section. I'll be glad to answer you. Once again, I'm Daniel Adeobuye, and I look forward to see the next video. Keep making profits. Take care.